Let's talk about Clause 6.0 of ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System in today's Microlearning session. Benjamin Franklin once said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." This is exactly what the ISO 9001-2015 Clause 6.0 on planning is for. Clause 6.0 talks about actions to address risk, quality objectives, and planning to achieve them, planning of changes. Clause 6.0 uses a risk-based thinking approach that correlates with your Clause 4.0. When planning for the quality management system, the organization shall consider the issues or goals referred to in 4.1 and 4.2, where the organization understands the organizational context and the needs and expectations of all parties involved. Clause 6.1, actions to address risk and opportunities. This determines or anticipates the risk and opportunities that need to be addressed. In doing this, the organization will be able to ensure that the quality management system can achieve its intended output, prevent or reduce risks that may affect the organization, and achieve continual improvement. Aside from this, the organization shall maintain documented information regarding these risks and opportunities and create processes for their mitigation within the organization. This is a surefire way to anticipate risks and opportunities as they come and go. Part of the planning includes actions to address risk and opportunities and how to integrate and implement the actions into its quality management system processes and evaluate the effectiveness of these actions. Note that actions taken to address risk and opportunities shall be proportionate to the potential impact on the conformity of products and services. Options to address risk can include avoiding risk, taking risk in order to pursue an opportunity, eliminating the risk source, changing the likelihood or consequences, sharing the risk, or retaining risk by informed decision. Opportunities can also lead to innovation or the adoption of new practices, launching new products, opening new markets, addressing new customers, building partnerships, using new technology, and other desirable and viable possibilities to address the organization's or its customers' needs. When planning its quality management system, the top management must implement and promote a culture of risk-based thinking throughout the organization to determine and address the risks and opportunities associated with providing assurance that the quality management system can achieve its intended results. In order to achieve the end results more effectively, the organization shall establish quality objectives at relevant functions, levels, and processes needed for the quality management system. 6.2. Quality objectives and planning to achieve them. The quality objectives shall be consistent with the quality policy. This includes sticking to your end results and reminding the team to keep their eyes on the prize. Be measurable and make sure that everything done can be subjected to evaluation on whether the target has been achieved. Take into account applicable requirements. Since your quality management system is strictly compliant with all the requirements, whether statutory or regulatory or administrative. Be relevant to conformity of products and services and to enhancement of customer satisfaction. Be monitored. Be communicated. Be updated as appropriate. The organization shall maintain documented information on the quality objectives to constantly remind them of the intended results. Now, what has to be determined in order to postulate the quality objectives to the end results? The organization has to anticipate what will be done, what resources will be required, who will be responsible, when it will be completed, and how the results will be evaluated. The continuity and effectiveness of your quality management system must be substantially maintained in the event of significant changes in your QMS or organization. In case there is change in management, ownership, relocation, technology, product, or shift in customer base. Changes must be carefully planned so as not to disrupt your organization's ongoing capability and responsibility to effectively meet customer and regulatory requirements. Clause 6.3, or the planning of changes. In this particular change, the organization shall consider the purpose of the changes and their potential consequences, the integrity of the quality management system, the availability of resources, the allocation or reallocation of responsibilities and authorities. The ISO 9001:2015 requirements provide a strong basis for a management system for business that supports the strategic direction of the organization. Once the organization has identified its context and interested parties, and then identify the processes that support this linkage. Once processes are determined, an organization will need to identify the risk and opportunities associated with these processes. This is why planning is a crucial factor in the quality management system process, because this is where you will base which direction the organization will be steered, and your QMS intends that it achieves the planned end results. To know more about Clause 6.0 or planning, visit our website at www.agfconsultinggroup.com or visit our YouTube channel and subscribe to see more of our microlearning sessions.